Dotty undershelf laundry line install by Coastal Clotheslines. Mark out beginning with the back line, 80 to 85 mil between the lines as to where you'd like them. Grab a backing board block and a sharp drill bit into your drill and drill straight through your shelf. A sharp drill bit. There are 2 countersunk screws in the pack, depending on the thickness of your panels. In this instance, we're going to use the shorter one. Place that through. And now you will be placing on the spacer or penny washer and the DIY terminal. Holding with your finger above, just snip that on until you get a good purchase. You'll now be grabbing some tools. Use a 4mm Allen key and a 12mm spanner to nip that nice and tight. That screw will pull down flush and leave a nice clean setup. If you need to countersink, grab a countersinking drill bit and do so, and drill until you create a deep enough hole so that that countersunk head will sit flush, just like that. Perfect. Go back over to the right hand side, back out with the grub screws, insert the cable and tighten up the bottom grub screw, or the one that's closest to the cable. And now bending, pushing upwards with the palm of your hand quite firmly and pulling the cable over to the left-hand side. Mark the cable from the outer hole of the terminal to the outside of the terminal, right in between the two. It's crucial, this placement of marking. Now you will measure exactly 20 mil further along that cable, and this will be where you will cut your cable with either the cutters provided in the pack or cable cutters that you may already have in your toolkit. Go back to the right hand side, undo that grub screw and take out the cable. Now back over to the left hand side, you're installing the cable on this end. Insert it, tighten it up with the grub screws. Ready for bending. Now push up firmly with the palm of your hand and take your cable back over. With the end you already have bent, you'll just wiggle that and reinsert that into the terminal and tighten up your grub screws. That creates the tension that you've already created with your exact cuts previously, and that is one line. Repeat for all lines and you will have created a beautiful flush countersunk or Allen keyed end, depending on your panels and substrate in your laundry, and that is the Dotty undershelf laundry line by Coastal Clotheslines.